sell it all over the place. Harvest meat market.
Oh. I don't know, I kind of like that stuff, that one in Mulberry.
Carter's?
Yeah. They're coming.
Okay.
We got room, but go on. Go ahead. How many you got there? Hey, cutie. You're a cutie pie, aren't you? You know it too, don't you? All right. Everybody in the front wagon, can you hear me good? Good. All right. We're going to go out and feed the cows and the horse. When you feed the cows, just stick this in his face, her face, because most of them's all females. Stick it in her face, she knows what to do. She's got a tongue about that long. Feels like sandpaper and it's covered with organic slime. Don't worry, she will slime you, but it's 100% organic, it will not hurt you. When you get a large cube like this, if you just break it in half, you can feed twice as many animals. When you feed the horse, so feed them with your hand real flat, because we don't want them to get confused and get a hold of one of them instead of that. Because when that happens, everybody on the wagon is going to know all about it. On the way out, we're going to go through an electric gate. It's going to slap the sides of the trailer. Do not reach down and grab a hold of it, but if you decide to do it, one of y'all make sure you're filming it, that way we can all enjoy it. Alright? Also, when we go out there, he'll turn the tractor off. You can move around a little bit in the wagon and stuff. Do not move around, change seats or anything, as long as the tractor's running. Also, do not ever step in the stairwells, forward or aft. Cows put their heads in there and they get the button around, they could hurt you. Take this, pass it around. Alright, enjoy your ride. You're being pulled out there by 54 International Farm Hall. Clint's going to take you out there. Clay, okay, I call him Slim. You can tell why he's so slim. He's getting married in a couple months. He's on the LBN diet. Look better naked diet.
Here we go. It might be better if I film behind and show you what we're leaving behind us, where we're going. Definitely a bumpy ride, guys. Definitely bumpy. There's a lot of cows around, guys.
Following us.
Yeah.
They smell their
Whoa. Oh, you hungry? You hungry? Here you go.
Oh, the babies!
Oh.
I'm feeding the baby.
Okay. You want another? Oh.
You dropped it.
That definitely is a, that's all I got. It's got the two. Definitely, he's right, that's definitely slimy. That's all, I don't got any more, big guy. Oh. I don't got any, I'm sorry. Look at you. Look at you, you're so... And definitely break it up into 2 pieces if you want to extend the experience. Someone dropped their piece down there.
No, don't get on that. Ah, got mine. You got this.
There you go.
I hope the little baby has some. Oh, baby. Ah, yeah, mine, Papa. I know what that baby is.
Se va, Teresa. Dale.
Get the snapper in it, guys. Gotta get some hand sanitizer. Boy, those flies definitely like those cows. They have a lot of flies on them. Shoot.
Lisa, watch out your hand.
What?
He's pretty.
That one's about 7 months old.
How old's that one?
She's old. Until it's their time. Can't really tell. That little one right there at the back of the trailer, that's like a...
Hey,
One day he'll...
you're so big. You were. Oh. Sorry, I don't have any more food. Yeah, mine went kind of right away, guys. Oh, someone got the piece that fell down there. There's the horse. You could feed too, but he's a bit occupied. I don't got any food. I'm sorry. You're adorable, guys. Well, that one just took a really big dump. Boy, that was a big flop. Nice fresh poop right there. Sorry, Mr. Cow, or Mrs. Cow, I don't have any more food.
Mira mi hijo que estaba en el trampón. ¿Se va?
Those are some really big animals.
Was allowed to get in here.
This was a good spot to sit at the end.
Oh, that's how never got any food. Is it the baby? No. Right here.
Tiene que tirar basura, mira.
Lean forward. If everyone... Oh, can we sit on this? Good?
One more. One more time.
No, sit down, sit down.
Good job.
We're sitting on the more pages.
Ahí está ya.
Bye bye. Now we're headed back. Here's that electric fence he was talking about. I definitely don't want to be touching it.
Ay, mamá. Ay, ay, ay. Sultan. 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 Uy. Sultan.
Guys, take it.